Morning friends, my name is Muhammad Samir. I am studying Electrical and Electronical Engineering in ISL Engineering College, bearing roll number 1605 and 7734005. Today I am going to discuss about rate structure in electrical distribution system. So what is rate structure? It is a set of causes that a utility firm uses to compute the consumer charges, whereas most electricity bills can be very complex due to inclusion of factors such as demand charge, power factor penalty, time of day billing. Why is rate structure? In generation of reasonable energy rates, in attraction of economic wealth, creation of efficient processes, income transfer, customer energy rationing or demand control. So what is generation of reasonable energy rates? Commission and utility had the ability to grow into gain monopolies. There wasn't any control over setting or making rates. Therefore these companies could charge whatever they wanted. Putting these regular bodies into place and developing a rate making process truly helps to make energy more affordable for everyone. Now we will discuss about attraction of economic wealth. Most utilities are privately owned. Despite the fact that they are part of related industry, in order to operate they must figure out how to get private capital. By law, government regulators have to ensure that the revenue is available so that the utilities can borrow money and invest in energy opportunities. The result is a generation of fair rates for customers. Creation of efficient processes. Efficient processes allows utilities to understand the rates that they can charge, as well as how to go about changing or requesting a change. Income transfer. Energy consumers are typically broken into three groups: commercial, residential, industrial. Rate making helps to shift the wealth within amongst these. Customer energy rationing or demand control. A price increasing typically decreases demand of product or service. In case of utilities, the same hold true for energy. If regulators need or want to conserve energy, they can let prices rise to their determine consumers for using too much. Thank you.